got aside for you. Okay, I'm making some green beans, and this is called lemon pepper green beans. And I went to the grocery store and just bought some fresh. I'm not going to snap them, I'm just going to cook them long. I'll steam them for about 10 minutes. I don't want them mushy, I still want them kind of firm. So, and then after that, I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Cut the ends off. And that's that. Okay, we're going to take a pound of fresh green beans that I bought this morning. I've rinsed and drained them. I'm going to put them in the top of this steamer. I've got about 1 inch of boiling water underneath there, and we're going to steam these for about 10 minutes covered. You want them to steam till tender, but still firm. You don't want them mushy. So then after that, I'll take them up and show you what I'm going to do with them then. Okay, we've got our green beans steamed, and we're going to put them in this colander and set them over to the side for right now. Woo. Okay. Now, I've put 2 tablespoons of butter in this saucepan, and we are going to get that melted. And I will begin to saute our sliced almonds that's going in this recipe. Just about 1/4 of a cup, just lightly browned. And then we will add 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper to that and make a little sauce out of it. So we'll be right back after we do that. Okay, we've got our butter melted, and I'm going to sprinkle about half of this pack, which is 1/4 of a cup of almonds. And we're going to lightly brown those. Sliced almonds lightly browned, and now I'm going to add a little bit of this lemon pepper. It's 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. And then we'll stir all that up, let that get in here. And now I'm going to put the green beans in it. Put it on simmer and let that just coat all in on those beans. We'll just let that sit. I'm going to cut it off and just let it sit. Okay, we're going to do the taste test. I'm just going to pick one up with my fingers of the green beans with the browned almonds, sliced almonds. Just the right amount of crunch, and it's got that lemon pepper in it. It gives it a real zip. Very good, and it's super easy. Y'all got to try this one. If you just want a quick veggie, but you want a lot of flavor, this is the one. So try it. So this is Janet and Florence, and we will see you next time. Bye.